Good morning. All right, so day 3. Yeah, I know. I gotta think about it. So today we are actually leaving Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and we're gonna head to the north part of Iceland. And I'll tell you later what the name of the town we're gonna be staying at because I can't remember the name of it. It's really hard. It's Hvammstangi or something like that. So here we go. We're gonna hit the road early to get there by midday because it's 4 hours today. It's a long trek. So we are on the road to Hvammstangi. We decided to buy some Icelandic skýr to try it out, which is their version of yogurt, which is very similar to Greek yogurt, but it's more creamy. Yeah, it's creamier. So Margarita tried it for the first time. Margarita, ¿qué tal te pareció el skýr?
Está delicioso. Lo compré crapulé, que me encanta.
Nada que ver con Giovanni.
No, cero. O sea, es la textura, el sabor. No me lo quiero acabar.
All right.
Buena recomendación.
Just got here to Graffarkirkja.
The oldest church here in Iceland. That's the story.
Right over there. Check it out. Graffarkirkja. Margarita, ¿para qué es eso? Ese signito que viste. Para que lo quites, ¿no? ¿Cómo se llama la iglesia? No, es algo kirkja, porque kirkja en islandico es iglesia.
Olar.
No, olar es el sitio.
22 kilómetros, ¿qué es eso?
No, tampoco. Estamos
Pero
todo mal.
Está allí. Graffarkirkja.
Graffarkirkja. Aquí estamos haciendo un picnic.
Pero entonces por ubicación
Salud.
yo puedo decir que está en Olar, kilómetro 22.
Sí, está en Olar,
Ok.
pero es Graffarkirkja.
O sea, el GPS
No,
está
no
en
el punto de
Olar,
GPS.
kilómetro 22.
Es Graffarkirkja, ¿ok?
Veo calor,
Entonces, aquí estamos haciendo picnic y disfrutando de esta vista. Seaside. Let's check it out. How is it?
This is beautiful. Look at this view.
Hopefully we can see seals from here. This is the land of the seal.
This is the land of the seals. I don't know if it's the season or not, but Hvammstangi is supposed to be a peninsula that has a lot of seals. Show me the Airbnb.
Come here. So we have a beautiful day. Amazing view.
cabin we're staying in right now. And look at it go. The green fairy. She came out to play so nice. Yeah, so it's our 4th day in the trip today, and we are heading to Akureyri today. We're gonna see a couple waterfalls. One of them is Godafoss, and the other one I can't remember the how to pronounce the name of it, so I'm not gonna butcher it right now. So we'll tell you when we get there, so I can re-practice the name, because the names here are really hard. We're going to a waterfall called Aldejar Falls. That's the name of the waterfall that I was referring to earlier that I didn't know what it's called. And so Margarita is opening the gates because the road goes through farms, so we gotta close the gates so the horses don't come out. So we brought Margarita with us, and she's being the gate opener, the gatekeeper. This is the second gate, so we have a change in shift of opening the gate. It's Juli's turn now. Here we go. Alright, so that's gate number 2. Let's see how many more gates we have along the way. Hopefully not many more, because they're already looking bad at me. I think next one is gonna have to be me. Akureyri. This is the house we're staying at, and the view is amazing. You can see Akureyri in the back of the fjord, all lit up. The girls are making dinner.
So we are doing like some salad, and we are having like a smoked salmon today.
Yeah, the Airbnb is really nice. We got a room downstairs for Margarita, and we got the loft upstairs.